Yes, guys, you see small. This is the function which we have here is like the public holidays and the school holidays. So people can come down. You see the soccer goals are here, and so you see these things, and you see the other rides. You see these rides, Sizzler rides, all this type of rides. You can put it Sizzler ride and all this type of rides. You can put it so that people can enjoy and also give some type of money. And you see the caravan so far. You can show the caravan.
I saw a caravan.
Small caravans. This is our man. So he's doing the function. So what do you say about the event and how is the like holidays, public holidays, and how is busy?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty busy. Although it is actually pretty nice, yeah. Lovely beaches.
And also like how is the public response?
Public's really nice.
And how many days you are here?
2 days where I'm working for.
Okay, so you see he's making so you can make in this type of events you can make the money.
Yeah, that's how to make the money back.
So we are like the $1 Millionaire channel always focus on making money. So he said that you can make the money. So tomorrow you will be focusing more public tomorrow.
Yeah, we need
Tomorrow, correct. So just quickly you can explain how they can win the prize about the goal.
Okay, can we explain how much it is as well?
Yeah, how?
It's $10 for 2 kicks, 1 practice kick.
Yeah.
Practice kick, you can't get anything in it.
Yeah, okay.
Main point of it is to get one of those.
Yeah.
You get it in the ceremony, there's good prizes right there.
Yeah, no problem.
I got it in.
So the boy is playing, who is playing?
Mate.
Yeah, so that will be good. My man is making money and will put the $1 Millionaire, the big gamer. Yeah, thanks guys, thank you.
Have a nice.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, guys, you see the small functions, the small events, the public holidays. But people will enjoy these public holidays. You can show around the people are there. So this type of events, you can make money. You can put caravan, or you can put the different categories. So you see the car, you can enjoy the car, this type of car, and you see the boat. Check down the pirate boat, and the swing. So all these things, just when you have opportunity and when you have the chance to make money, you put something in the events and make money. So small caravan is small investment, you can make some money. So $1 Millionaire always focus on a small amount of investment and get out of money. So enjoy guys, so enjoy. Darling Harbour Bridge, and you see the Australian flag, big Australian flag, and you see the view, the big view bridge, and see the buildings, top buildings. So today we are just covering up downstairs to the drone show. So we'll have the drone show. Nice view, check it out. You see Darling have a nice view, the lights and the Australian flag is a nice view. Check it out, nice buildings. So this is the Darling Harbour. So just we are waiting for the drone show. I think the drone show is at 9:30. So we'll check it out, the drone show, and we'll cover up $1 Millionaire. We'll cover up the drone show. Thanks guys, we are covering up the drone show. You see the boats are here, and the view is here. A lot of people standing. Can you check? A lot of people standing, and maybe the drone show is at 9:30. So we are just waiting for the drone show. So many people waiting here. So and the drone show will be for the 15 minutes. So that will be great. Just check it out how they can use the drones, and they can make some of the pictures, some of the birds, animal pictures in the sky. So we'll check it out. Yeah. So just we'll wait for that one, and we'll cover up the show. Okay.
Okay.
Just thanks guys. Yeah. Guys, that's all. That's a good show, and just how you control the drones. So we have taken the show. That's good coverage. So next time we'll see you. Enjoy. Thanks, guys.